looking for how to zoom in Notepad, then keep watching. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. You need to press the control key and press the plus button to increase the zoom. And this is what you can zoom in as per your need. Every time you press the control plus, it will be increase the zoom size. And if you want to decrease it, then what you have to do is press the control key again and press the minus button on the keyboard. So every time you press control plus minus, it is zoom out. And if you want to reset the zoom, then press the control key and press 0 and it will be reset to the normal. So another way is that you need to click on the view and click on the zoom and you need to press zoom in. So every time you have to press zoom in, the size is increasing. And if you want to zoom out, then here is the zoom out. You need to press multiple times to zoom out and go to the restore default zoom, then click on this option. So in this way you can easily zoom in Notepad. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.